Hello, my name is Martin and I shall be providing a rebuttal from the perspective of the Minerals Council of Australia, with our opposing stakeholders being CSIRO. The target reduction figure for greenhouse gas emissions of 26 to 28% is not a realistic goal for Australia. There are claims from the Environmental Minister, Greg Hunt, that the goal of a 5% reduction nationwide by 2020 is very achievable. However, experts such as Dr. Frank Jotzo, the Director of the Centre for Climate, Economic and Policy, has categorically refuted claims by Hunt that we as a nation are also on track to achieve the 2030 target. It is Dr. Jotzo's contention that an overly optimistic target was set on the premise of steady emission reductions since 2005. However, these reductions are cited to be the result of drastic changes in agricultural land use and clearing. With opportunity for further reductions in the agricultural sector now heavily diminished, the onus for GHG reductions now lies with industrial, commercial, retail and other sectors to enact sweeping change upon their operations. These measures are not without cost though. The stakeholders from CSIRO cited that the opportunity to enact sustainable technology to support the target of 26 to 28% reductions will have a positive impact economically. There is only some truth to this. As pointed out by Rory in our group's earlier submissions, the government's subsidies to implement green technologies and enable industries to realise the 2020 target alone are in the range of $19 to $22 billion. This will result in an energy price rise, which shall then flow into the public in the form of higher expenses for utilities, goods and services across the nation. Additionally, with exports forming such a large component of Australia's GDP, sectors such as the mining industry, including MCAs, suffering could pose huge economic ramifications. As it stands, experts from institutions such as ClimateWorks, MSSI, and even CSIRO's director, Pep Canadell, have all been quoted as saying that 26 to 28% is not sufficient to meet reduction requirements. Progressive reduction, rather than massive outlay that dents the national budget and may not even achieve the desired income, is the way forward.